Joint pain is a condition that most of us suffer from at some point in our lives. Whether it is mild or severe, it can be extremely difficult to deal with. Joint pain usually comes with aging, however, even malnutrition can affect the tendons, ligaments, and joints, thus causing pain. There are two ways to make use of the lemon peel for pain-free joints. The sour flavor that is concentrated in the lemon peel has been one of the reasons that almost everyone prefers to discard it after extracting the juice. On the other hand, there are people who save it because they've realized that it's one of the main sources of nutrients that the fruit contains. It is one of the oldest cultivated plants worldwide, and their consumption leads to various health benefits. Namely, lemons are rich in important nutrients, such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, folic acid, pectin, phosphorus, bioflavonoids, vitamin A, C, B1, B6. This combination prevents various ailments and diseases, and the regular use of these fruits will advantageously affect the liver, intestine, stomach, and the entire immune system. Moreover, lemon significantly soothes joint pain. It has powerful antiseptic properties, and the lemon leaves efficiently treat fever. Squeeze some lemon juice in the water or tea in the morning, in the case of morning sickness during pregnancy. This will treat nausea immediately, and it will settle the stomach. The essential oils in lemons relax the blood vessels and have powerful anti-inflammatory properties which effectively alleviate nerve pain. The lemon peel is extremely beneficial in the case of chronic joint pain. There are two ways to use it to soothe the pain, as follows. Place the peels of 2 lemons in a glass jar, and pour some olive oil over them. Close the jar and leave it to stand for 2 weeks. Afterward, the lemon oil will be ready for use. All you need to do is to pour some of it on gauze and place it on the affected area. Secure it with a bandage, and leave it to act during the night. You should grate the lemon rind, but without the white layer, and apply it to the painful area. Secure it with a bandage and leave it to act for 2 hours.